Summer's here, and I want to ask you one question. What are you going to do with it? All year long, we tell ourselves when things slow down, I'll finally fill in the blank, get in shape, read more, start that project, be more present with the people I love. Well, this is the moment. For most of us, summer is the biggest block of free time that we're going to get all year. And if history is any guide, it will be gone before you know what hit you. Here's the hard truth. If you wait until later to decide what you want from this summer, later won't show up. You'll blink and the calendar will say September. Here's what I've noticed about most people, including myself. We're good at dreaming. We can picture the mountaintop just fine. But what trips us up is finding the path to get there. Let's say your goal is to lose weight and get into shape this summer. Great goal. Now what? I'll join a gym, you say. Okay, but which one? Do you even know what's available near you? Here's a simple challenge. Put the world on pause for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Use those 5 minutes to search for gyms in your area. Done. Good. Now spend another 5 minutes reading reviews. Then call or text someone you know who regularly goes to a gym. Get their thoughts on where they go and why they like it and what they know about the other gyms in the neighborhood. Short conversation, good conversation. Want to visit your top two or three choices? Okay, when are you going to do that? Put it on your calendar. You have just built a plan in less than 15 minutes of focused attention. See, we don't suffer from lack of time. We suffer from lack of focus. When we get really focused on what success looks like, it's surprising how quickly the dots connect between where we are and where we want to go. It's surprising how the world almost conspires to help us get there. So here's your assignment before summer starts to slip away again. Decide how you want to be better when the summer ends. Summer will end, and you'll either be just like you are, or in some way you'll be better. Choose now. Write it down, break it down into steps, and then put those steps into order and assign a date for each one. Drop it all in your digital task manager so that you see the right small task on exactly the right day. The end of summer's coming, ready or not. The only question is whether or not you'll look back and say, I made that time count. So tell me, what's your goal for this summer? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely like to hear what people are working towards. And if this episode helped you think differently about your time, join my weekly email newsletter. I put out practical time management content every single week to help you make the most of the time that you've got. Go to frankbuck.org/subscribe. In addition to the weekly content, I'll start you with two free gifts as a thank you just for joining. And thank you for stopping by today. This has been Frank Buck helping you get organized and make it look easy.